This wig also is from Celie hair. I'm gonna show y'all how to install this because I did already use this unit in my Instagram reels and you guys were super happy to see me try this on. So let's do it for YouTube. Okay, so this wig from Celie hair, I'm going to wear it glueless. So I'm gonna put just a tinge. I'm gonna just do a tinge of foundation, but it's already looking pretty good glueless. I also have an elastic band on this as well. Yeah, this is what it's looking like. Yeah. Okay, let's style this right now before I actually do some intro shots, because we just don't want this to be white looking. And when you're wearing wigs like this glueless, just always make sure to have an elastic band. This already came with one, but I just went ahead and put one or sewed one in myself so that it really does adhere to my head. What I'm also going to do is style it. So with curly hair, I usually just like spray some water. The curls in this unit, they're really, really pretty. And I also went in and shaped it. So it originally comes in with the middle part, but I didn't like the way that that looked personally for me. It kind of like lifts up here, but I'm going to put this behind my ear. You can see this parting I did. It's not the, yeah, that's not much that I really had to do just now, but I do like this behind my ear. And just look at how, after I bleach the knots, how everything is. It's very realistic for it being a glueless unit. But yeah, you don't have to do anything, of course. Just make sure that you have that elastic band sewed in. And I just kind of go in and finger comb all of the curls because I kind of like it to be semi-defined, but not really. Oh, it looks so cute. Okay, let's go do some intro shots in my living room because this is a super quick install since it's glueless, or this is like a leave-in conditioner. Alright guys, so I'm going to be reviewing this wig from Celie hair. I'm gonna get into the specs in a second, but literally everyone that saw this wig on my Instagram reels and on my TikTok, they were like, oh my gosh, I love this hair so much, it looks so pretty. I actually styled this myself, I layered it myself. It came in a middle part, but I just went ahead and made it into like a side part. Just look at this. I also bleached the knots, by the way. So the knots did not come bleached for this wig, but I went ahead and did it myself. But I wanted to kind of move into the specs of this wig. I am wearing it glueless as well. I just have an elastic band sewn in so that everything kind of lays flat to my head. This is what it's looking like. So you can kind of like see a little bit of a line here, but it's still glueless, whatever. So, okay, so this was originally supposed to be 16 inches, but I cut it down to kind of like fit my face. It was like down here more so, but I kind of cut it to where it was more so collar bone length. This is how it looks. It's so pretty. Oh, I'm going to insert the reel that I had with this unit as well because it was so pretty. So yeah, this is their undetectable lace 13x4. The price of this unit is going to be $199.80. And this is their deep curly hair, 180% density. So there's a lot of hair going on here. It's super easy to work with. Also, the hair is very, very soft. I just reviewed another curly wig recently, but this, even if you shape and cut the hair, the curls aren't like left with this weird like straight end, I guess, after you kind of style it and everything. It still stays curly at the end. So that's really nice because it's really hard to find those ringlets or those ringlet style curls where they stay that way after you go in and style it yourself. Usually it looks very awkward and it looks kind of like choppy at the ends when you do that, but no, I did not get that in this case. For my wigs to be in the side part, which is always nice. So yeah, I honestly love this. I like also how it kind of is shorter at the top and then it goes down longer. The wig kind of came like that already, so it wasn't really hard for me to style this unit. But this is how the wig looks, you know, whenever you're purchasing it. But again, I decided that I just wanted a side part instead. Yeah, I also did not have to pluck this. Usually I pluck all of my units Didn't pluck this one. All I really did was bleach the knots. To this, it comes pre-plucked anyway, and it also comes with an average cap size. So I'm usually a size small, but it also comes with adjustable straps if you're worried about that. And I just, again, I sewed in an elastic band so that, you know, it goes from ear to ear and that you can wear it glueless. I recommend that because usually if your head is too small, there's like spaces in between the lace and everything. So this is a lot easier for you to make sure it stays flat to your head around the perimeter of your unit that you're wearing. So there's also 3 combs inside. And yeah, you can do any part you want. It also comes in a 5x5 lace, in which the price is $178.89. And they also use PayPal, Klarna, or Afterpay for their units. That's up to you. And yeah, I worked with Celie hair in the past, but this has probably been one of my easiest units to date that I honestly can just throw on. This is how the side looks, and then this is how the back looks. And again, all I did was put in like a leave-in conditioner with this unit, and then I just finger combed it and I was good to go. So this is one of those things that you can just throw on if need be. But again, all of this is mostly me layering it, so it's not gonna necessarily come like this, but I just watch a bunch of tutorials and I kind of just shape it. Alright guys, I'm gonna go take some intro shots for this video. Be sure to go ahead and check out Celie hair down below, and I hope that you guys liked my install/review. Alright, bye.